Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Head into mosquito country confidently this summer. Our white fly screen provides effective protection with a stylish look, guaranteeing a memorable, bite-free experience.
If you think bug screens are not a necessity for van life, I want you to think again. I got this set from Living in a Bubble. It came so fast and it had the cutest packaging and keychain. The sliding door bug screen has magnets across all the sides, down the middle, and the bottom, so you are fully secured. And then the back one has a zipper in the middle. That way you can have access to the entire opening or just the garage portion if you want. This is going to sound dramatic, but these bug screens have been a lifesaver for me while building out in Texas. During the day, I'm being attacked by wasps, and then at night, I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes. So these really have made such a difference in the progression of my van build.
There's absolutely nothing worse than getting eaten alive by mosquitoes on a hot summer's night. I'm so excited to have these game-changing fly screens from Living in a Bubble. They clip straight on with magnets, and this makes them so versatile. Like, they fit my old van so easily. They're super flexible too, so I can just pull out the back deck, still sit on it, use my back drawers, and still have the fly screen set up.
If you're anything like me, you've spent a lot of time and effort making your van a perfect home away from home. So don't let dark door screens bring down your entire van vibe. Welcome to the Living in a Bubble boho inspired white magnetic fly screens. They're designed to fit your side door space perfectly, super simple to install and made with quality materials. They allow airflow while protecting your van from bugs and harsh sunlight and give you privacy from the outside. You can also close the door with the screen still in place. The Living in a Bubble boho inspired magnetic fly screen, guaranteed to suit your every style.
Honestly, these bug screens have truly been a lifesaver for them. Having the ability to keep their van doors open for consistent, beautiful airflow without buzzing pests, and getting peaceful, mosquito-free sleep. It has made a profound difference in their comfort. If you're living the van life and you're battling bugs, you absolutely need these. They are a game changer. Check out Living in a Bubble's fly screens. You'll find a direct link down in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more van life tips, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.